the whole issue of the existing sanitation in the whole country is of lack of proper maintenance and upkeep. If you examine the sanitation sector, this is the sector, maybe the rare sector, where there were not much innovation, at least for the past 3-4 decades. The thirst for addressing the existing issues in sanitation has motivated us to come up with India's first electronic public toilet. Basically, electronic toilet is an automated, unmanned, self-cleaning toilet system which is remotely monitored.
It's important to keep in mind that innovation is working backwards from seeing what is needed to solve the problem using what we have and paring down the complexity of the problem into tractable units and paring down the complexity of the solution so that it can actually impact on problem solving in an interesting way. So it's very, very important, but more importantly, it's doable.
The second call that we put out was on the Reinvent the Toilet Challenge. That was mainly to see how does the whole area of new innovations impact the sanitation, and through sanitation look at the health. And so the health has been a very important aspect that we have been focusing on.
This being a different experiment with pioneer in this field like USF, so we are collaborating with USF for bringing e-toilet as the front end and NewGen as the background to make a self-sustainable, affordable sanitation, world-class sanitation system, not only for the country but for the whole world.
What the new generator is a resource recovery system in a box. And what we've done is taken really basic principles from biology and chemistry and kind of put them together in an entire system to take waste and turn it into something that's actually valuable. Within the context of India is that this type of technology is really the cutting edge of sanitation technology. And traditionally, cutting edge technologies take a long time to get into developing countries or into really tough situations, and we wanted to leapfrog that, that slow progress and directly implement it into where, countries where it could benefit the most. And India is a great example of that with the sanitation issues.
The system has been operational for the last 4 or 5 years, but thanks to BMGF and Birac, when we got an opportunity to work through this RTTC project, we were able to come up with India's world's cheapest electronic toilet, which you are seeing here.
Once they get tested in the slum area and the school area that we are trying to do that, we should be very happy with what we see as a result. We are also now taking one of our toilet models that we have set up through the RTCC for a demonstration program in the Northeast. And we are actually going to take it up to 100 schools in Northeast and test it out. So I think the actual result will come once we put it into this large scale validation.